Now, registrations for teenage vaccination kick-started on Saturday amid the surge in the COVID and Omicron cases across India. Both walk-in and online registrations via CoWIN portal has been initiated for 15 to 18-year-olds. After getting the vaccine, children will receive their vaccination certificate on the Arogya Setu application. They can also download it from the CoWIN portal. 15 to 18-year-olds will be given Bharat Biotech's Covaxin shots. Separate vaccine centers have been set up in hospitals across India, several states, while vaccines at government hospitals in the national capital will be free of cost. A single dose of Covaxin will cost 1,250 rupees at a private hospital. Children will be getting their first dose starting January 3rd.
Kids are the most vulnerable at this point in time. So that's the responsibility of all the parents, and thanks to the government that they have really taken up this. And I'm really, hopefully today I will get the registration done and get over with. It's a responsibility as a parent and also as a citizen that we must get as many people vaccinated. I have a daughter who's 12 years old, so she's the next in the line.
हमें पूरा यकीन है कि ये वैक्सीनेशन बच्चों के लिए भी उतना ही सेफ होगा जैसे एडल्ट्स के लिए था। जो भी ट्रायल्स हुए हैं बच्चों पे इस वैक्सीन को लेके, अभी तक उसमें से ऐसी कोई भी डेटा नहीं आया है जो सजेस्ट करे कि कोई सीरियस साइड इफेक्ट्स होगा। तो जैसे एडल्ट्स को या किसी भी वैक्सीनेशन से थोड़ा बुखार, थोड़ा हाथ में दर्द हो सकता है, वो साइड इफेक्ट्स ज़रूर हो सकते हैं बच्चों में, बट उसके अलावा ऐसा नहीं लगता कि और कोई सीरियस साइड इफेक्ट्स होने के चांस है।
All right, let me cut across to Amit Bharadwaj joining us live for more on that. Amit, take us through the vaccination centers, many of them set up specially for children in the national capital. If you can give us an insight into the preparation that's been made.
Well, Nabila, finally a vaccine for age group 15 to 18, the registration process already started on January 1st, as announced by Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandavia. And the first dose of this vaccine for under 18 age group would begin tomorrow, that is on January 3rd. And, in the government hospitals which were providing the Covaxin doses will be the one which has been identified for providing the vaccine for the age group between 15 to 18, and the private hospitals as well, which already had the Covaxin, stocks. They would be the first one catering this particular vaccine doses for the age group 15 to 18. Moreover, there are more private hospitals in the national capital who had applied for in the past they were giving out Covishield doses, but this time around, in order to cater to a new age group, they have also ramped up their entire infrastructure, and they have set up special vaccine centers for the age group 15 to 18. Like the one, North Delhi hospital that we spoke to, they had set up an entirely new infrastructure to make sure that the teenagers who would be coming in from tomorrow, they get proper facility. One thing more important is that the hospitals are expecting that along with the expected beneficiaries, the parents might be also coming, and there would be many questions that they might have about this particular vaccines, because ultimately at the end of the day, this would be about their children. So the parents might be little skeptical as to whether what could be the outcomes of the vaccine. So in that case, there would be a panel of doctors who would also clarify those doubts. Excellent. In case, if any.
All right, Amit, thank you very much. We know at private hospitals, it's